Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be working on my dad's co-worker's car. And well, this is a 97 Civic EX. And well, recently I did headers. I did an exhaust on it. It's a skunk tube, but it's like kind of modified. So yeah. And then, oh, that's right, he has also a the test pipe that I need to install today's video. But today we're going to be installing CTR style lip on this thing. It's going to look pretty dope. It's going to look basically OEM plus, and then CTR style headlights with my sponsor Oxido LED. Go save yourself 15% off with code SV15. All right, so first thing got to do is got to take off these clips right here. And then I believe there should be some screws, one on each side. Yeah, there's one right there. And then one on the other side. And I believe the bumper can go forward, which I can get the 10 mils inside here. And then these two, and the headlight should come out. And then take out the headlight. Then once we take out the headlight, then we can put on those beauties right there. But I will show it before and after. I can't wait for that. Let's get it. Cool, so I got the bumper moved out the way. So now I can get these 10 mils right there, and there's one back here, one right there, and then these two, and the headlight should come out. Cool, so we got the headlight off. And I noticed that this one was broken on the bottom somewhere. Where was it? Oh, I think the tab was like right here or somewhere. Or maybe it was right there. I don't know. But one of the tabs were broken, so that's already no good. I took out the plug, took off the corner signal. And then what I did is I loosened these two because these are for adjusting the headlight, and gave me enough room to move it. So now, go ahead and get the new one, slap in the Oxido LED. Okay, so we got the Oxido LEDs right here, and he got the 9003 H4 HV2. So this one, the EKs, they have only one headlight bulb. It is both high beam and low beam. Oh wow, this one actually has a little degree on it, like to angle the headlight. That's pretty dope. Mine nor the truck has it. This is pretty cool. Not sure how to adjust it. There you go. Oh, okay, so that's how you adjust it. You hold this and you turn the back part. But I'm just gonna zero it out. So for being eBay, this is actually pretty good. The packaging was pretty good. Had a little foam piece around it. So I'm gonna leave this on until I install it. But back here, we got little plug covers. Go ahead and take this off. Ooh, satisfying. Here, I'll let you guys get one without talking. I don't know. That picked up good. But anyways, got a little tab back here, and should just be able to slide it in like so. Oh, since it is an LED, it is going to be fatter than a regular bulb. So I might have to do some finessing, or I might actually be able to get it around. All right, I got it in. Had to do a little finessing with the little metal part that holds the headlight. Go ahead and throw this over so it doesn't get in the way. Finally, it's in. I had to do a lot of finessing because these tabs were, I guess, drilled like off, so I kind of had to like maneuver it. But dude, it's in. The LED, it's in right there. Oxido. Woo! So now, here we are. Give you guys a little ASMR. I know the ice cream truck music, it's pretty loud over here, you know, behind camera, but here it is. Thing is hella fresh. I just put the bumper on temporary, but oh yeah, look at that, dude. It looks hard. Now I'm gonna put on that. Oh, actually, let me turn it on. See how the difference is. Because I believe these are stock, I want to say. They're like they look blue, so I don't think they're stock. But let's go ahead, turn them on. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, baby. Kind of hard to tell because of the sun, but look, this one's on. This one. Sheesh. Let's go. All right, so now go ahead and put that side on. Get that button up. Put the bumper back on. Let's put on the lip. Woo. Dude, look at these. These look awesome. It looks so mean now. Now I just need some wheels, and then obviously I gotta put on the lip. But yeah, this little thing is coming together. He's getting into Hondas somewhat. Got a little skunk tooth shifter that I forgot to mention. And then my old steering wheel. But yeah, this little sucker is clean, or getting cleaner. So go ahead, put that CTR style lip on, and go ahead and put on that test pipe. Let's get it. There we go, guys. I got the test pipe on. It took a little while because I was trying to find bolts for it, and yeah, mainly I was just trying to find bolts for it. But other than that, the lip looks really good. It looks OEM plus. Well, basically it's the Type R lip and the Type R headlights. So dude, this thing is looking fresh. So I'm gonna start up. We're gonna hear how it sounds with no cat. And yeah, let's see the first startup. All right, here we go. First startup. Actually, it's not too terrible, actually. Let the oil go. Oh, check engine light because no